Today, we're diving into the Knivesandtools Traditional Series, a collection of kitchen knives that carry the soul of Solingen craftsmanship. They are handmade in Germany and built to last. These are the kind of knives that quickly become your go-to knife for small cutting tasks in the kitchen. You'll find small paring knives, a serrated version, and of course, we had to include the famous buckle-style breakfast knives as well. Let's start with the traditional paring knives. They are small, nimble, and sharp, ideal to peel and dice apples, potatoes, and other fruits or vegetables. A true classic in the kitchen. The handles are made of either olive wood, with its noticeable pattern, or beechwood, with its cleaner and more natural look. For the blades, you can choose between stainless steel or carbon steel. Stainless steel offers easy use and low maintenance, while carbon steel is ideal for those who value extreme sharpness. Though more sensitive to rust and in need of a little extra care, carbon steel develops a unique protective patina over time, making the knife feel truly yours. Both of these versions are also available in a set of 4. This version, the classic paring knife with stainless steel, also comes with a serrated blade. The serrated edge cuts through crusty bread rolls, sausages, ripe tomatoes, or even a juicy orange with ease. So if you need something with a little bit more bite, this is the knife for you. And then there's the buckle set. 4 stainless steel breakfast knives with olive wood handles. In Germany, these knives have been at the breakfast table for generations. Their broad, rounded blades are great for spreading butter and jam, while the fine edge slices through fresh rolls or cheese without effort. To keep these knives at their best, we advise to not put them in the dishwasher. Simply wash by hand, dry them well, and every now and then treat the handle and blade with a drop of oil. For the carbon steel version, this is especially important. If you leave them on the counter after cutting, you will see discoloration and even rust. So make sure to treat them well. Discover for yourself why these traditional knives have been treasured for generations. Explore the collection today at knivesandtools.com.